Guys, it's your boy here, the Gold Father. So just wanted to give a quick update on gold. So I'm primarily bullish and bearish for gold, and I'm going to tell you why. Because if we look at the monthly chart, we can see that gold is most likely headed up to 1800, right? 1850 around this level. So analysts say that we could see prices of 1850, 1800, obviously due to the fact that we're in a pandemic. But here's what I think is going to play out. So we're going to see gold drop for a few reasons. One of the reasons being that economies are opening back up, which means growth for the U.S., growth for other countries too as well, and growth in their economy to get their economy back stabilized, right? And while that happens, when the economy is doing good, gold is doing bad, right? Because gold is a safe haven asset. So I think what will happen is when the economy opens back up, we may see around May, June, prices of gold dropping. And the reason why is because around that time, that is like the perfect time to buy gold, where huge sell-offs happen, and it's the perfect time to buy gold because the virus can't survive in heat, right? The virus can't survive in heat, as they say, or it's unlikely that the virus will spread once it starts getting very hot. Now, June, July, August, around that time, I believe, around July, we should start seeing, July, August, we should start closer to September, we should start seeing price start hitting near the 1800 areas, right? So before gold goes down, before gold goes up, it needs to go down. So I personally think that we may see some kind of pullback near these levels, and it may be near like the 1659 levels around that area. So I think price could go down to these levels before rocketing back up. And if we see on the daily, it's a really strong double top here at 1734. So I think price could go down to 1655 around those levels, and maybe even a little bit lower, 1631, before it comes back up for that huge rise. Okay. For 1847. So I'm not doubting that gold will be bullish. It'll definitely be bullish because once the second wave hits, once the second wave of the coronavirus hits, which it will hit, the second wave will hit, I believe that's when prices of gold are going to just soar through the roof because we're going to be in the pandemic again. And the same thing happened in 1918, with the Spanish flu. When there was a war, people were outside, and then the virus ended up killing more people than the actual war. So that's just how it was. But yeah, that's essentially just it. And that's the way the cookie crumbles, folks. So I'm pretty bearish on gold just for a little bit. I am waiting for price to cross these lines of 1703 territory so I could enter in around here at 1677 with a total pip cap of, with the total pip amount of, don't kill me, let me just click this, of 259 pips. And we could see price go lower. Price could get stagnant around these areas and drop a little lower. But that's just my overall prediction, right? Overall, I am quite bullish. I do think price will definitely go up. But I want to see some movement down. So I put a sell stop around this area of 1703, 1702 before price even goes back up. And I'm going to take profit around 1661. So that's my analysis. Hope you enjoyed, and peace. And by the way, I dropped a signal stating that gold would fall around the 1705 area. And so we could see that too as well. So make sure you jump into the chat. Make sure you jump into Gold Mines. And let's live, prosper, and get this money, guys.